Hello again. My car has been to the MOT and the error code from the lights is gone. The lights work perfectly and the bulb, of course. So the only problem on the MOT was the headlight washers. Everything else was perfect, but the washer does not work. So I turned on the lights and did everything you're supposed to, and I can hear the engine turning on, but they don't flush. So I'm gonna see if I can figure out what the problem is here. I remember the last time we took the headlights out, I saw that some guide pins were broken, which makes it a tiny bit more of a hassle to take the lights in and out. You can see it here. I was kind of hoping that they would have something to do about it, because you see the guide pin is holding this. But I do not think that would affect it. But I have some new guide pins laying here waiting, so well, maybe. First of all, I'm gonna try and see if water comes out of here. And I can hear the pump going. Wait a second here. I think this is supposed to be here. Yeah. Looks like this is not in the correct location. So maybe I'll try a zip tie there, and hopefully that could actually be the solution. To change the pins, just need a T20 Torx. New part number is 996-631-11600. I have a feeling that these break on a lot of cars, since you kind of have to take the headlights in and out sometimes. On the other light, this guide pin is broken too, but here the washer is in the right place. So if I'm lucky, this kind of controls the pressure in both, and if the air just come through here, then it stops both. So if I make this stick in place and make the guide pin connect, then hopefully everything is fixed. On this side, the pin was stuck inside, so I actually have to drill it out. Or you can actually just push it through, which was way easier. So no need for drilling, just push it through. And both pins are back in place. I also found a small crack here in the plastic. So while I have it out, I'm gonna fold this and melt it back in place too, so everything is properly sealed. All the other tabs on the headlights are luckily okay, and I changed the pins, and I cut out a small piece of mesh here that I'm gonna melt into this part so it becomes stronger, because this is one of the things that holds the headlight into place. So it's probably smart to make it stronger than it was, since it's broken one time. So I'm just gonna melt and put this in while I hold it. And then it should be stronger than it was before. All done with the plastic weld, both in front and around and where I put the mesh. It's pretty hard to tell that something has been done here, which is perfect. So now comes the big thing here. Let's see if the sprayer actually works. Got a zip tie around here that I don't think should interfere with the headlight. So let's see if it actually works. Yes, it does. So you can see that it is sprayed out of both light positions there. And so then it should be just to put everything back together, and it should work. As genius as the design is, I have to say it can be pretty fiddly sometimes to get them back in. But for next time now, I think the easiest way is to get the little lever thing straight on the bottom, and then the way you lock them is to pull it up back. So on this side it would be clockwise, and this side it would be still clockwise. All right, all back in place. Now let's see if they actually work. Yes, they do. Awesome. Then back to the garage and get the car approved. I just have to say, just check out the black plastic. It's so fresh and nice. It looks brand new. So if you want to get that, look at my previous video. Very happy about how it turned out. Alright, see you later.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.